Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we still have a basically new 2017 Honda CBR300R. This bike has just under 400 miles on it and is in mint condition. So we have basically one aftermarket accessory on it, otherwise it is all stock. I do have one little mark on it which I'll show you when we go around, but it doesn't affect the mint condition of it. So let's take our walk, show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. So basically this bike is all stock other than the one little accessory that's been added to it. And with the low miles on it, tires are still in great shape. I mean, you can still see the paint lines on it from the factory. The one aftermarket accessory that's been added to it is the tank pad. And the one imperfection I did find on it is a little boot burn. Rider must have got this heel a little close to the exhaust. But, like I said, that's the only mark I found on it, so it really doesn't affect the mint condition of it. Same with the rear tire. You can see how this bike hasn't even really been pushed. I mean, you can even still see some of the release compound here on the tire. So still need to be scrubbed in a little bit. $382 is what's on it. This CBR300R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. That's right, you heard that in the background, those accessories. So, thank you for shopping. And again, SimplyStreetBikes.com. There you go.